Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice for deep rest and relaxation. Nothing quite compares to the deep relaxation and profound rest that Yoga Nidra provides. Often referred to as a yogic sleep or psychic sleep, Yoga Nidra is a powerful meditation technique that guides you into a state of conscious awareness between waking and sleeping. This practice not only fosters a deep sense of spiritual connection, but it also promotes physical recovery, enhances mental clarity, and emotional well-being. So just getting yourself as comfortable as possible. You might like to lie down in a comfortable position for this practice, with the arms slightly away from the body, palms facing up, legs resting, feet gently falling apart, and just beginning to close or lower the eyes softly. And taking a deep breath in and a slow, long breath out. And again, a full deep breath in and a long sigh out. Sighing everything out on the out breath. And just feeling the whole body becoming heavy, sinking into the surface and the ground beneath you. And just allow yourself to let go of all effort, just simply being present in the here and now. And this time is just for you. Nothing for you to do, nothing for you to think. Just simply follow the sound of my voice. And just begin by bringing to mind a simple intention, a sankalpa, or a seed for your practice. It may be something like, I am at peace within myself, or I allow deep rest. Whatever intention you'd like to set for yourself for this practice, just repeat it inwardly 3 times with clarity and trust. I am at peace within myself. I allow deep rest. And now, taking the awareness through the body, our rotation of consciousness, moving from point to point with effortless awareness, awakening and scanning from point to point, gently and with ease. Beginning with the right hand thumb, the index finger, the middle finger, the ring finger, the little finger, the palm of the hand, the back of the hand, the wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, the sole of the right foot, the top of the foot, the right big toe, the second toe, the third toe, fourth toe, little toe, sweeping awareness over to the left hand thumb, the index finger, the middle finger, the ring finger, the little finger, the palm of the hand, the back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, thigh, the knee, the calf, the ankle, the heel, sole of the left foot, top of the foot, the left big toe, the second toe, the third toe, fourth toe, little toe, and now to the back of the head, the crown of the head, the forehead, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the space between the eyebrows, the right eye, left eye, the right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, nose, lips, chin, throat, the right side of the chest, the left side of the chest, the center of the chest, the heart center, the navel, lower abdomen, pelvis, the whole right leg, the whole left leg, both legs together, the whole right arm, the whole left arm, both arms together, the whole back body, the whole front body, the whole body together, the whole body together, the whole body together. And now bringing the attention to the natural rhythm of your own breath, feeling the rise of the abdomen as you inhale and the fall as you exhale. Just stay with the rhythm of your own breath. And begin to count backwards with each exhalation, starting from 27, 27, exhale, 26, exhale, 25, exhale, continue down to 1, and if the mind drifts, gently return and begin again at 27. simply observing and counting your own breath. Nothing should feel forced or strained, just noticing the inhale and exhale, and simply noticing the count on the exhale. And if you've lost count, just gently return and begin again. Now gently letting go of the count and letting go of the focus on the breath. And just imagine a still lake at sunset. A still lake at sunset. The water is calm, glass-like, reflecting the golden and rose sky. Notice the beauty, the stillness, the quiet. You are lying beside the lake, feeling completely safe and at ease. With every breath, your mind becomes as tranquil as the water. Nothing to do, nowhere to go, simply resting in being. And once more, repeat your intention silently to yourself 3 times. Repeating your intention to yourself 3 times with faith, and plant it deep in the heart. I am at peace within myself. I allow deep rest. Or whatever your intention is that you made at the beginning of this practice, just repeating it silently to yourself 3 times with faith, planting it deep in the heart. And just resting in this awareness for a few more moments, simply resting in being and in the awareness of this deep, relaxed state. Now slowly but gently beginning to returning the awareness to the physical body. Notice the body resting on the surface beneath you, and resting on the ground beneath the surface. Notice the sounds around you, sounds close within the room that you're in, maybe any distant sounds. And gently deepen the breath, taking a deeper inhale and exhale, beginning to move the fingers and the toes. Slowly stretch the body. And when you feel ready, you might like to roll onto your side. Taking a few moments, just laying on your side. And then when you feel ready, coming up into a seated position. Bringing the palms together at your heart. And just taking a moment here of gratitude and remembrance of this deep relaxation that we've cultivated in this practice, and knowing that you can connect back to this energy, this awareness within you whenever you like. And when you're ready, beginning to open the eyes and coming fully back, present and aware. Thank you for joining me in this Yoga Nidra practice. My name is Corinne. I'm a holistic therapist, yoga and meditation teacher, and I offer a range of different holistic therapies and often include meditations and Yoga Nidra in my one-to-one client sessions. To contact me directly, see the information in the description box below this video. And if you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. It really helps me to keep sharing these videos. Namaste.